if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. And I am finally back on YouTube. So I did make a few videos last year and maybe 1 or 2 videos the year prior to that as well. But for the past few weeks, for the past few months actually, I've been missing and I have not been able to make any videos because weekends generally just got busy and then a few issues and other things kept on happening. But now I'm finally back and I thought what would be a better comeback than a Zara haul. So yeah, as many of you all must be aware that the Zara sale is going on और मैंने भी थोड़ी shopping की है, not a lot or maybe a lot, I don't know. Let's see. So I'm just going to quickly show you the things that I bought. And as usual, I'm starting my Zara haul with a pair of jeans and the very famous paperback jeans. Yes, मैंने इसमें और एक color खरीद लिया है, which is the green khaki color. Really love this color. So if you've seen my previous Zara hauls, I've always bought the paperback jeans in the sale because sale में आपको अच्छा खासा 40-50% discount मिल जाता है, तो I think it's the best time to buy Zara jeans. Also Zara jeans, though they are very long lasting, पर मैंने ये जो blue color में लिया था, I've worn that a lot. I think I bought it 1.5 years back or something and मैंने उसको इतना पहना है that now it has started to lose color. मतलब काफी color fade हो चुका है उसका. So I thought that I just want one more pair and ये green color sale में था. There were 2 or 3 colors on sale, not the blue. The classic blue was not on sale. I think the black was also not on sale, though it's still available but not on sale. But this color was on sale, so I just thought that let me just grab this. So I have paid 1700 for these pair of jeans and इनका original price is somewhere around 2790, which is 2800. So मैंने ये वाला जो particular jeans है ये first day पे ही ले लिया था. Like as soon as Zara went on sale, ये मैंने already cart में डाल दिया था and I grabbed. So if you've seen my previous Zara haul, मैंने उसमें काफी tips दिए थे on how I shop at the sale and how I'm able to score certain items from the Zara sale. So I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen. I think here I'm going to also leave it in the description box. If you see that video, so मैंने बताया that how 2 days पहले आपको या तो पता चल जाता है या तो सेल है या तो उसी दिन आपको Zara ऐप का भी नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है and आपको actually अभी 9 PM like the sale starts at 9 PM and I think somewhere in the evening only you can actually see the sale prices. You cannot make a purchase but you can see the sale prices. तो उसमें मैंने देख लिया था that this is going on sale, so I put this in my cart because I really wanted this pair of jeans, so that is how I got it. And the next item is this multicolored midi dress. So ये ड्रेस एक्चुअली आई थिंक Zara में काफ़ी टाइम से है. लाइक आई रिमेंबर कि मैंने तो इसको 8-9 मंथ से देखा हुआ है ये पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न को एंड Zara ने इसी ड्रेस में अराउंड 5 to 6 पैटर्न्स लॉन्च किए हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ देम जस्ट सेल लाइक हॉट केक्स बिकॉज इसका मटेरियल काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट्स अ वेरी सॉफ्ट कॉटन बट दिस मिडी ड्रेस इज हेल एक्सपेंसिव. ओके, दिस इज for some 4600 if I'm not wrong, 4590, and I was able to grab this in my size for 1500 rupees and I was like, give it to me. Though my husband thinks that I look like Govinda, but I was like, I don't care. Whenever I see this dress and I just feel like मुझे Europe जाना है holiday पे, it's that kind of a dress that you want to wear this on a vacation. And the next item is again a dress and it is a midi dress with a cutout pattern. I love this color. I do not have a lot of dresses in this color. I don't think actually I have anything in this color. Material is superb, cotton, soft and is not transparent at all. So I got this dress for 1500 and its actual MRP is 3000, so around 50% off. The next piece of clothing that I got is this fall leather midi skirt. Now this is actually not supposed to be in sale. I don't know what happened. So this was a new launch और मैंने देखा था ऐप पे new पे ये दिख रहा था and suddenly I saw in the evening कि ये sale में and I was like, oh, wow, let me grab this because this directly from 3000 came to 900 and I was like, what the hell. So I just thought that let me just order and see and ये मुझे actually में काफ़ी अच्छा fit हो गया. So I just thought that I'm going to keep this because आपको 900 में ऐसा fall leather का skirt तो कहीं और मिलने नहीं वाला है, especially midi length and such a good length. Because I'm relatively tall, midi skirts भी मेरे पे बहुत अजीब से लेंथ पे आते हैं but this was like a very good fit for me, very good length, so I just thought that I'm going to keep this. And the last thing in clothing item is this dress and this actually I did not get on sale but I just thought that I'll include it in the Zara haul. तो मैंने ये actually थोड़े महीनों पहले लिया था before the sale started. I think 1 month before the sale started actually and this is again a cutout dress and मैंने इसको recently पहना था and it looked fab and this was actually for 2000 rupees the actual MRP. This was not on sale and ये इतना अच्छा print है, like it's a jacquard material. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right but yeah, it's a jacquard material and it's not transparent and it's quite body hugging but like it doesn't show off like bad angles or anything. ये काफी अच्छा लगता है. I really like this cutout pattern and this is quite in. अभी Zara especially is doing a lot of dresses in this cutout pattern. Say if you want to go to a party or an event, right? और अगर आप एक normal सा भी dress पहनते हो लेकिन उसमें ऐसा cutout है ना, it looks fabulous, which is why I got this. So the next item that I got is this, which is basically a perfume set, and let me just open it and show it to you. So actually इसमें काफी अच्छा bow भी था. मैं उसका picture obviously डालूंगी जो मैंने obviously निकाल दिया है. So the thing is that if you followed Zara for a time, you would know that Zara and Jo Malone have their perfume collection on Zara, and this is actually a part of that collection only. And उसी परफ्यूम में like they called Zara Emotions, and उसमें there is a variant called Water Lily Tea Dress, which is apparently very popular and which is apparently very good. So this 90 ml bottle actually comes for 3,000 rupees, and in the sale there was this kit of Water Lily Tea Dress wherein they had the 90 ml plus struggle 90 ml plus the 30 ml in a kit. And जब पहले आया था तो I think this was somewhere around 2,500 या something, पता नहीं हो. Then it came down to 2,000. Then finally it came down to 1,400, which is when I bought this set. So actually 90 ml in itself is for some 2,000 rupees and 30 ml का कुछ अलग से 1,500 है. But together I was able to get this for 1,490, and अभी तो I think it has dropped down to 1,190, and I saw that it is still available. So yeah, I mean, I thought, and मैंने actually I've got this for gifting purpose because I thought that this is such a nice gift to give to someone. And apparently इसका perfume is इसका smell is very nice. But thanks to COVID, I do not have a very strong smell sense right now, so I'm not sure. But जितना मुझे smell आ रहा है, it does smell very good. And now moving to the last item in this sale, जो कि मतलब star of the sale रहा है मेरे लिए, star of the haul, which is a pair of boots. Let me open and show it to you. So this is one item जो मतलब मुझे पहले एकदम श्योर था कि मैं ये तो रखने वाली हूँ, but this is probably the only item which I'm not very sure about still. So basically I got these leather mountain boots, and इनमें fur lining है अंदर से, there's fully fur from inside, fur obviously, and these leather boots. And you will not believe it that these are actually for 12,000 rupees, and I got these for 3,000, which was like an unbelievable deal. Because if you know Zara boots, आपको no chance in hell आपको कुछ 5,000 के नीचे मिलने वाला है, especially mountain boots and such amazing boots. So usually like whenever we go for vacations, I don't know, it's just a thing between me and my husband. We generally always prefer going to cold places, winter places. Except for Goa, which I am going next week and I'm mad excited about. But yeah, other than that, other than Goa, we generally always choose to go to winter places, and you know, in winter places, आपको ये boots लगते हैं. So recently, actually, we had gone to a Himachal trip, and by the way, I've also vlogged that, but I've not got a chance to edit that. उसके I think 3-4 parts बनाने पड़ेंगे. I have so much footage, so I'm going to sit and edit that as well in the coming few weeks. But anyway, yeah, so वहाँ पे भी like you know, अगर आपके पास ये fur वाले boots होते ना, they make a hell lot of difference to combat the cold. And मेरे पास जितने भी boots थे actually उसमें काफी टाइम से because this lockdown situation काफी टाइम अंदर ही पड़े थे, तो you know, a lot of them have lost their form, lost their shape, some have become like थोड़ा सा disintegrated and all. So and I just saw these and I was like कि let me just get these, because अगर आप leather boots लेते हो तो ये लॉन्ग टाइम तक टिकता है. मतलब अगर आप बस इसको ज़्यादा पानी मत लगाओ, कुछ मत करो, तो ये आराम से 4-5 साल चलते हैं. यू नो, अगर आप वो रेक्सीन वाले बूट्स लेते हो, दे डू नॉट सर्वाइव फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, बिकॉज आई हैव बॉट दोस. बट दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ बूट्स जो आपके काफ़ी टिकेंगे, प्लस दे आर वेरी लाइट वेट. मतलब मुझे लगा था ये बहुत ही बल्कि होंगे, बट व्हेन आई वोर देम एंड ट्राइड देम, दे नॉट एट ऑल हैवी. So yeah, let me know what do you think about these. Should I keep these or not? मेरा मन तो है, but just that इतना बड़ा तो है ये, मतलब इसको स्टोर करना भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, बट या मेरा मन है ये रखने का. So let me know in the comment section what do you think if I should keep these boots or not. And with that we come towards the end of the video. Do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite item from this haul, and obviously मुझे बताना कि आपने भी क्या लिया है सेल में. And I know that I've come back after a long time, but I would really appreciate if you could leave some feedback for me, or if there are any suggestions or recommendations, any brands that you want me to try. So I had actually started the Made in India series, and I made one video I think 2-3 months back, and I'm for sure going to continue that series, and the next set of videos that I'm going to shoot is going to be around that series. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I do get the time on weekends, because weekends is the only time when I actually shoot. So hopefully I do get the time and I'll be able to make the videos. But yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. मनी मैंने बूट्स रखती हूँ यार.
रख ले यार.
ऐसे बूट्स कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे. इधर होगा ना एक्चुअली. किधर होगा? यार ना. ठीक चल रहा है ना? Very ठीक चल रहा है. मनदीप ठीक चल रहा है.
बहुत मस्त.
पक्का ना मनदीप ठीक चल रहा है. हंस रहा क्या है?